In a legal battle fueled by family drama, Samantha Markle seeks justice against her half-sister Meghan, while her legal team plans an unexpected move involving none other than the Princess of Wales herself. Tonight, we delve into the latest developments as Samantha Markle gears up for a courtroom showdown. Stay tuned as we uncover the twists and turns of this gripping saga. Samantha Markle, the estranged half-sister of Meghan, is leaving no stone unturned in her quest for justice. Amidst her ongoing defamation lawsuit against the Duchess of Sussex, Markle's legal team is making a bold move by seeking a witness statement from none other than Princess Kate Middleton. Despite this, Samantha, 59, emphasizes that Kate Middleton's health remains a priority, acknowledging the princess's recent disclosure of her battle with cancer. Markle's attorney, Peter Ticktin, believes that Middleton's testimony could shed crucial light on the strained relationship between the two sisters. In a dramatic turn, Samantha's defamation case against Meghan was dismissed by Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell, citing a lack of defamatory statements. However, Samantha's legal team is undeterred, filing an appeal to continue the legal battle. Despite the setback, Samantha remains steadfast in her pursuit of justice, alleging that Meghan's actions subjected her to humiliation, shame, and hatred on a worldwide scale. The legal saga continues, with both sides gearing up for a fierce courtroom confrontation. As Samantha Markle's legal battle unfolds, the complexities of family dynamics and legal intricacies come to the fore. Will her appeal reignite the flames of litigation, or will Meghan emerge victorious? Stay tuned as Celeb Explorer Hub brings you the latest updates on this compelling legal saga.